lastly, what I want to also show now is we talk about how Paradime is integrated with different tools and how it goes beyond DBT. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch to one of my other workspaces where I do have a bit more of a complex pipeline in there. And Paradime supports integrating with various different BI tools that allow users to understand more of what your data flow looks like and where your data pipeline is going. I can use the Lineage feature, Track View, and I can actually go full screen. And some of the things you will notice here is that we have our DBT models or DBT nodes here, but then we have new nodes type, which are our Looker views and Tableau data sources. So if I go now and maybe add 3 more layer, we'll see how this expands a bit more. And this is pretty common, right? So we work on DBT models, and DBT models are ultimately connected to our BI layer. How do we understand how our data flow goes beyond DBT without having to switch to another tool and go to the catalog and so on and so forth? In the Paradime interface now, you have the ability to understand all your dependencies. So I can see here that my order item legacy model is connected to a bunch of Looker views. I also have some explorers on here and then dashboard in the Looker front. We integrate with Looker, with ThoughtSpot, with Sigma, Power BI, Tableau. Plus, we provide something which is also extremely powerful, is the ability to use our custom API integration to actually feed any additional BI tools within the Paradime engine, so that while you're developing your code, you can have full visibility on your whole data stack, whether that is some of your BI tools or charts or internal application that you might be powering from DBT. This makes the developer experience a lot more streamlined and gives you that ability to understand, if I change this column, where should I look for, rather than make changes and pray ultimately that nothing will break downstream. Super excited. There is a lot more to Paradime, of course, but today we focused on what were some of the key features and additions that you get by using Paradime compared with DBT Cloud. But yeah, thanks for being there and excited for what's coming next.